Hello guys and gals, good evening. Cinema 16. Just finished watching Karnal. Guys and gals, I forgot to find out the meaning of Karnal. But after I upload this one, I'm gonna put on the comment section. Okay, you know what guys and gals? This film is some kind of a masterpiece of Marilu Diaz-Abaya. It's a powerhouse cast, but guys and gals, sorry, I just wanna thank the Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to each every one of you. You know what, guys and gals? I already watched this film, but only a half the story on it in my house because I have I have an original DVD copy for this movie, but sad to say I didn't continue it. That's why when I watched a while ago, I feel like I'm watching it over and over again. So no regrets on watching this film. You know what, guys and gals, if ever you watch this film, it's some kind of a splendid one and lots of moral lessons, and you will see how the way people doing during that time. Guys and gals, this was shot in 1983, so it's already 42 years ago, and during the time I'm not born yet because I'm 18 right now. Just kidding. Anyway, hold on guys, I feel like it's being heavy again. Hold on. Okay, for me to concentrate. And starting from the cast: Philip Salvador, Vic Silayan, Charito Solis, Cecil Castillo, Vanji Labalan, Rolando Tino, Pen Medina, among few to mention. Guys and gals, they are being some kind of this how do you call the thing? Aside from splendid, they had a greatest performance for this movie. That's why after 43 years they have to show this again. And you know what, guys, I saw a millennial watching this film, so I'm glad that she tried for this one. And I knew her. She's from Santa Lucia. I forgot her name. Sorry. And then sorry guys, I'm some kind of a speechless, and I couldn't really believe. I thought it was over, the story will stop on that particular scene, but it's not. So they give me some goosebumps and give me this kind of fear factor at the back of my mind. And then Cecil is some kind of this kind, sorry, redundant. Cecil Castillo, she's a kind of a, not a sex kitten, but I think during that time she's a sex goddess. And Philip Salvador has this kind of oozing sex appeal. That's why the reason, well, quote unquote, Barry Manilow wants him to be in, sorry, I thought in bed or what. Just what I have read on an article, that Barry Manilow has a let's say, just rephrase, has a crush on Philip Salvador because Philip Salvador has an animalistic sex appeal. He has this kind of oozing yummy body. He has an every inch of a man, and he's really this kind of Pinoy look that will make you fall into him. And Joel Torre also did a great performance on this film. The way he acts, the way he narrates, the way he expresses his feelings through his co-actors, gosh, it's some kind of a splendid. And also Charito Solis did a great part in this movie, and Vic Silayan. And you know what, guys and gals, the story revolves on a family the tragedy. This is also a, guys, this is a tragic movie. But if I were you, do not do below the belt that you will put your life at risk. So once you can solve a problem, solve it and believe in the love of God, that if you put your faith in Him, you will be saved, and nothing is impossible if family will talk over a problem. And guys and guys, the story has a lots of moral lesson, and there's a conflict, there's a all the thing, mystery, there's some agony, there's a pain, there's a fear, and sometimes you are thinking, I think this character done something to this another one. So it's some kind of a mind-blowing, and you will have this kind of thinking that the next one will happen on this scene, will be like this, will be like that. So some kind of a puzzle in your mind. And this film shot in mostly in Nueva Ecija, Gapan Nueva Ecija, and some part in Rizal. And I like the cinematography because it's being restored, and then the place is some kind of awesome, and